morning from the Monday after Thanksgiving. It was a very busy weekend. We did host Thanksgiving at home on Thursday, and then Friday morning we went and bought our brand new Christmas tree, which you've already seen that video last week. And today I just wanted to share like a realistic what our house looked like after a weekend of vacation, or 4-day weekend of vacation at home. And honestly, like a part of the weekend, most of us took naps off and on because it's been such a busy year. And it's just that time of year where the seasons are changing and the temperatures keep going up and down. So that kind of does, you know, things to your sinuses and things. And honestly, like, it was a nice time to just get caught up on some extra rest. So we're back to school today. They are doing the Music Man and the Christmas Carol today, and maybe also Pearl Harbor for my two doing biographies. We'll have to wait and see what happens through the day. But my goal was just to take you through like what I can get done the Monday after. Now, a couple things I didn't show on camera so far that I took care of before, like in between, because I usually, if I film, it's after I've already done editing for the day. And I've already edited 2 videos this morning, and in between videos and while I was waiting for Matt to get out the door, because I don't do like editing while he's getting ready for work, we went ahead and the roaster pan had been drying for 48 hours overnight. So it's already put back up after doing one of the 2 turkeys that we made. The tablecloths are in the washer now. All of the rag towels and kitchen towels and fall towels are being folded right now. The tablecloths are in the dryer. The fall blankets are in the washer. And so like all that's already getting going. The kids have already unloaded the dishwasher once, have started reloading it again. I'll probably have to run it twice. Usually after a weekend I have to run it twice, but especially after a holiday weekend, we had to run it twice on Friday after Thanksgiving, because we have several antique pieces that we do for Thanksgiving. So we did have to run it twice on Friday. When I say antique, like they're dishwasher safe. So, like I said, I'm just going to kind of set the camera up and show you like cleaning up some of the decorating boxes that we just left out so that we could get everything going. Because also we're waiting until tomorrow. There's a package coming in so I can finally set my Christmas village up. I had to wait on one thing to come in from Amazon. And I think by now you would have already seen that video, but I did have to wait for one thing. So you're kind of seeing some things out of order, but I'm kind of having to do videos like in a specific order for reasons. But let me show you just snippets of our day, the Monday after Thanksgiving, of cleaning that we're doing. And yeah, like I said, schooling wise for today, it's just Movie Monday. And I'm so glad that we switched to Movie Monday, because now like Mondays after holidays, Mondays after travel, we can just focus on letting them watch their movie about their book or their biography. And it's like a more relaxing way to get back into our normal week. So let me turn around, turn some Christmas music on, and let's do some cleaning, decluttering, unpacking, packing, reorganizing during the Christmas holiday season. clean? Are we clean? Your bedding's not clean, but are you clean? Hey, are you clean? Are you a good boy? Do you need a smile?